So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear cache in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do once you open up your Shopify admin panel, you can see a lot of the stuff on here will look pretty much the same to yours. But through here, there isn't really a direct way that you can clear your cache. You can check it on here through some of the policies. You can see there's customer privacy, languages, and stuff like that, but there isn't really a clear cache button. You can search through it on here. So the main way you want to do that is by going to the three dots here. You can see downloads, stuff like that, and you can go to settings through here, then go to privacy and security. And on there you can see take the privacy guide, you can see the safety check, and you can click on here to delete browsing data. And you can see here delete history, cookies, cache, and more. So if you click on this, you can see the option to cache images and files, so you can free up that. You can even go to advanced options to find cached images and files on here as well. You can even add some other options on here, and if it encompasses the Shopify options or search history you had, it will clear cache on your PC for Shopify as well. And on there you can just start over and log in through a different account, and you will see all of this stuff will be completely different. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.